Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Bloxburg, and I'm going to be showing you guys my villa. If you don't know what a villa is, it's basically a mini mansion. I'm going to be showing you my cars, and we're going to do random things. So let's get into it. Hurry up. Why's my mouse flashing? We're joining. We're in a server with a low amount of people, as you can see right there. I need to spawn my modern mini mansion in now. Here you go. And let's wait for everything to load in so I can show you my mansion. It takes so long to load. And welcome to my villa. Tell me in the comment section below if you like this villa. Okay, let's go inside. As you can see, there's a dining area, very modern and very nice. Let's close this door. I don't want you guys seeing my cars. Here we have my very modern kitchen. It's very nice, but the bad thing is there's less space. So that's the bad thing. I can't even get through it. Oh, yes, I can. And here's my comfortable, my comfortable living room. So it's very nice. You can see the nice campfire. It's not a campfire. It's like, I don't know what it is. Here's the garage, and here's my two cars. This is the fastest bike in the game, and this is the fastest car in the game. Okay, let's go upstairs. As you can see, a nice railing right here so you don't fall off. Don't you break your legs. Here we have the modern bathroom. It's very nice. Here we have the very nice bedroom. It has the TV, the clock, the modern wardrobe, the nice beach kind of rug, two beds, and the alarm clock with the modern fan. And here is my modern balcony with two chairs that actually rock, as you can see right there. And you can actually swim in this. I thought I just got stuck. And I have a backyard too. Let me show you the backyard. The door's actually over here, because I didn't have any space anywhere else. So we have two goals for the football pitch and football. And we have a nice pool. You can actually play with these balls and mess with them. You can actually sit in this. So this is a new thing in the game. There's a ladder here. Right. This is another new thing. Is a water fountain. It's the most expensive water fountain. There's a gazebo. This is a gazebo with this campfire thing. And if you interact with it, you can turn it off and you can roast a marshmallow. Like I'll show you right now. And then it turns into like a marshmallow patty. And you can actually eat it. Look. Eat the marshmallow patty. And look, you can actually eat it. So that's another cool thing. And I think that's all that was for my mansion. Okay. Tell me in the comment section below which vehicle you like more, the motorbike or the car. Today I'm gonna go with the car. And you can actually take the roof off the car. As you can see right there. Okay. I think we should go. I think we should go and go ride some gliders. Don't you think? That I'm gonna go to the mountain. The mountain is right here, this big one. When you get to the top of this mountain, there's the car. No, there's no cars. There's gliders, and you can actually ride them. It's cool. Oh, my car's stuck. Oh. Cars aren't good for just going up mountains. It is usually a motorbike and an ATV. Oh, I almost just fell off. Did you guys see that? Oh, I don't want to fall off. Oh, I fell off. I fell the whole way down. I think I should go get my motorbike. Don't you guys think I should get my motorbike? Okay, let's drive. Ow. I wasn't looking. Okay. Oh, I see my house right there. Can you see the football pitches? Here's my house. That was the best parking in the world. Motorbike time. What? Did you guys see that? That was such a weird glitch. Okay, let's go to the gliders. It's actually kind of fun riding a motorbike. Motorbikes actually, in the game the motorbikes go fast, but the moped's really slow. So yeah, this is what I mean. It's better to ride a motorbike, and I wasn't looking where I wasn't looking in the correct way. So you have to go up here. I should try to not fall off, because if I fall, I have to get the whole way back up again. This motorbike's just too fast. Look, it's too fast. We've almost made it. Hopefully I don't fall off, like I almost just did. Oh no, as soon as I say, hopefully I don't fall off, I fall off. Bad luck there. Here's the gliders. I'm gonna take the blue one because that's my favorite color. I'm gonna go and land on my house roof. These are slow. This is so slow. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hopefully I don't crash. I don't want to crash land. Then I have to walk or reset into my house. I'm almost there. As you can see my pool and my football pitch. Right there. That's my house. So we should get an angle from the top so I can actually land on the roof. There. Yes, I landed on the roof. This is what it looks like when you're on a roof. I think we should go look at some houses now. Old Johnny said, oh yeah, let's go look at some houses. Okay, let's go this way. This is the starter house. I don't care about that. What's this? This looks like a massive prison. This is mine. Starter house. Nobody even lives there because it's for sale. That looks like a good start. Don't you guys think? It looks like a really nice start. I'm gonna go on the other side and look at some houses. Okay, let's go to the other side. Come on. Oh, a person's walking because he doesn't have a vehicle. Bye. Okay. That's the mountain I went up. Does this side have good houses? Starter house is right here. Alright. This is a nice house. I like this house. It's nicer. It's a nice start. Starter house. For sale, so nobody lives there. This looks like it looks like if they started it all again and moved all the things outside. That's what I think. That's what that is. It looks like if they have a little camp and a bicycle. Tell me in the comment section below what game I should play next. Okay, what should we do now? There's like nothing to do now. Okay, I'm back at mine. I think I forgot some things to show you, but I'm not sure. I think I've showed you, guys, everything. I think I'm gonna end this video here. So, tell me in the comment section below what video you want to see next. And please subscribe to me. I want to get lots of subscribers. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!